Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students to my class 3 subject mathematics. So today we are going to do exercise 6, solve the following word problems. Here the first problem is Arun has a cow which gives 1000 milliliters of milk. How much does it give? It gives 1000 milliliters of milk. He purchased. Purchase means he bought. He is buying. How much he is buying again? He is buying 6000 milliliters of milk again. Now we should find out the total amount of milk that he is having. The first step here is Arun's cow gives how much? 1000 milliliters of milk. Next, he purchased. The second statement is he purchased. How much did he purchase? He purchased 6000 milliliters of milk. Now, the total amount of milk that he is having with him, that is the total milk he has. We should add these two add-ins and I get the sum, that is 7000 milliliters of milk he is having at present. After the cow is giving 1000 milliliters, next he is purchasing 6000 milliliters. Now the total milk he is having is 7000 milliliters of milk. From that 7000 milliliters of milk, he is selling. Selling means the amount that he is selling is 2165 milliliters of milk he is selling to others. Now we should find out the rest, how much is used by Arun. After selling from 7000, he is selling 2165. After selling this amount of milk, what is the amount he is using for himself? So the next step is step 2. Total milk Arun has. How much? 7000 milliliter. Now, milk sold by Arun 2165 milliliters. Now, milk used by Arun is, if we find the difference of these two numbers, we will get the answer, that is 4835 milliliter. Milk used by Arun is 4835. This completes the word problem number 1. Next word problem you have, second word problem. There were 1875 passengers traveling in a train. Out of these, 325 passengers got down and 826 passengers got in at a station. Now, if you are also traveling in a train, you see passengers getting down and you see passengers getting in the train. Now, this is a problem of that same situation. In a train, how many passengers are there? There are 1875. Totally they are 1875. Now one stop has come. In that stop, how many members are getting down? First we are taking the first step. Number of passengers traveling, that is 1875. The next statement I am writing, number of passengers got down. Got down means one station has come. In that one station, so many members are getting down. Means, they are getting down. That is 325. If I find the difference, I will get 1550. What is that 1550? After that passengers got down. After they are getting down, so many members are there in the train now. How many members are there? 1550. After doing a first step. The next step is take the same number, that is number of passengers in train. How many they are? 1550. Then add the passengers who are got in. Got in means in one station the numbers of passengers, they are coming inside the train. They are getting inside the train. That is 826. We should add that number and we will get the total number of passengers traveling in train at present. That is number of passengers in train now. If I add these two numbers, I will get 2376. See the board. Try to do the sum by yourself. It includes both addition and subtraction. Step 1, Step 2. You should see the board, write neatly in your classwork. Do the sums neatly. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now let's do the third sum in our textbook, students. Open your page number 38. First, read the problem sum. Read the word problem that is given. A farmer had 1245 kg of wheat. How much he was having? He was having 1245 kgs of what? Wheat. He sold 425 kg. Sold means he is selling. He is selling how much of kgs of wheat he is selling? 425. The first step we should do is, what is the remaining wheat after he is selling the wheat from the total amount of wheat that is he is having. So I have taken the first statement as wheat with farmer, that is 1245 kg. Next, wheat he sold. How much did he sold? He sold 425 kg. Now if I have to find the difference of these two numbers, what will I be getting? I will be getting the wheat remaining with whom? With farmer. Just you can write the third statement as wheat remaining. If I do the difference, I will get 820 kgs. What is the amount of wheat that we got? 820 kgs. Now let us move to the second step. What we should find out the second step? He sold 425 kgs of wheat from the total amount, and 275 kgs of wheat he gave to his brother. To whom did he give? He gave to his brother. Now we should find out how much kgs of wheat is he having, is left out with him after selling and after giving to his brother. How much wheat he is having with him. So the second step is remaining wheat with farmer. Remaining wheat with farmer. What was the remaining wheat? That was 820 kgs. Next, wheat given to his brother. What was the amount that was given? How many kgs was given? It was 275. If I just find the difference of these two numbers, I will get 545 kgs. What is this? This is the actual wheat that the farmer is having. After selling and after giving to his brother, this is the actual amount or the kgs of wheat that the farmer is having with him right now. So the last statement I am writing is, so the farmer has 545 kgs of wheat. Got, students? Here's two steps are there. Step 1, the farmer he is selling. We got the remaining amount, remaining wheat with him. After selling, the second step what he is doing? He is giving to his brother also. We are finding again the difference and we are getting the kgs of wheat that is remaining with the farmer. Next, fourth sum is, a fruit seller purchased fruits for how much rupees? For rupees 3578. Out of that fruits, he sold the fruits for rupees 1228 for first day. For first day he is selling rupees 1228 amount of fruits. Then on second day he is selling rupees 1527 on second day. We should find out what is the value of fruits that are left with the fruit seller now. So the first step I am taking is fruits purchased. Purchase means what he is buying. Fruit purchased by whom? By this fruit seller. That was for rupees. How much rupees did he buy? He bought for rupees 3578. Then he sold on first day for rupees 1228. If I find the difference of these two numbers, I will be getting the amount of rupees that is remaining with him after selling on first day. this is the amount of rupees remaining with the fruit seller after selling on first day. This is the amount of rupees that is remaining with him. From that, I am subtracting again the fruit sold on second day. So much amount, that is 1527. If I find the difference of this is the amount of rupees that is remaining with the fruit seller after selling on first day and second day. So the two steps we are following here. First day we are subtracting and we are getting the amount of rupees left with him after selling on first day. Then he sold on second day so much amount. So again we should minus this number and we will be getting the left over amount with the fruit seller. So try to do the sums. Just see the board and try to write the sums in the classwork neatly. Jazakallah khair.